Hello friends, welcome to Food Street. Today I'll be sharing my recipe for making the most fastest and easiest Chana Pulao. So let's begin. I'm going to heat 1/3 cup of oil in a pan. To this I'm going to add 2 cloves, 1/2 inch cinnamon stick, 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 black cardamom, and 1 bay leaf. I'm going to fry this for a few minutes until the spices get golden and begin releasing their aroma. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of fried onions, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon ginger paste. I'm going to give this all a mix and then add 1/2 cup of chopped tomatoes. I'll give this all a good mix and then add 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. After frying for a few seconds, I'm going to cover the pan and lower the heat. Once the tomatoes are soft, I'm going to add 1 can of rinsed and strained chickpeas. I'm also going to add 1/2 tablespoon of salt. You can add more or less according to your taste. I'm going to cook the chickpeas till the masala dries and the oil begins to separate. Time to add 4 cups of water. I'm going to let this come to a boil and then turn off the heat. In my rice cooker, I'm adding 2 cups of basmati rice and the chickpeas. I'm going to turn the cooker on and wait for the rice to cook. And there you have it, delicious Chana Pulao is ready. So simple and quick to make. It's amazing on its own and even better when served with any curry. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.